A pre-owned 2013 Fiat 500 Sport. This two-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 1.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Fiat has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 31 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power sunroof.